Yo, what's up, people? This your boy P Ross back in the building. Another video. And right now, what y'all see here, we're going to check out a brand new watch that I got. It is a Seiko SKS 593. Alright. And here it is. Whew. Look at that. Wow. That beautiful. Look at that. Yeah. Let's go ahead and take it off right quick. Alright. If y'all wondering what I'm rocking right now, it ain't nothing but a chemical reaction. That's it. But this is the Seiko SKS 593. Alright. Some of the features, as you see, it has the date window between the 4 and the 5, 12 to 24 hour formats, chronograph. Case is stainless steel, diameter 43 millimeters. The band, of course, is stainless steel with a push button deployment. Bang. Movement is quartz, battery powered, of course. Water resistance up to 100 meters. All right, this is, I think, is a beautiful watch. I like that. Not bad. Not bad. You know what I'm saying? Look at them links. Solid as hell. You know what I'm saying? There's the back. This is a nice piece. Yo. See what happens. Push that. Alright. Other second hand start moving on the corner chronograph. Yeah, this is hot piece. Hot piece. So yo, we'll go try it on the wrist right quick. So just stand by. And there it is. That's how it looks on the wrist. Yo, that is hot. That is hot as hell. I like that. Not bad. Not bad. Seiko in the building. You know what I'm saying? You know. The new hotness. Yo. And that's what we're working with, people. You know. If y'all like these videos, give me a thumbs up. You know what I mean? There's a lot of changes that's gonna be coming to this channel. A lot more content that's gonna be added to it. You know what I mean? A lot more gaming stuff. You know, we're gonna be reviewing watches. You know, doing more gaming, Yu-Gi-Oh, video games. You know, so holla at your boy P Ross. You know what I'm saying? And we out.